What is the best method for heating corn tortillas without breaking them?
Hello, culinary enthusiasts. Today, we're discussing a common challenge in Mexican cuisine: how to heat corn tortillas without breaking them. If you've been through this, you know that a broken tortilla can compromise the integrity of your tacos, enchiladas, or whatever dish you're preparing. But don't worry, we've got the perfect method for you.
What makes corn tortillas break?
Before we dive into the solution, let's understand the problem. Corn tortillas tend to break because they lack gluten, which provides flexibility to wheat-based products. When they're heated improperly, they dry out and become brittle, which can lead to breaking.
The secret to perfectly heated corn tortillas.
So, what's the best method to heat these tortillas without breaking them? The secret is in using a combination of dry and steam heat. This ensures that your tortillas are warmed thoroughly, making them pliable and less likely to break when you fold them.
Step-by-step guide.
Here's a step-by-step guide on how to properly heat your corn tortillas. 1. Warm a skillet or a griddle over medium heat. You don't need any oil for this process. The goal here is to create a dry heat environment for the tortillas. 2. Place the tortilla on the skillet. Let it heat up for about 30 seconds on one side. 3. Flip the tortilla. Use a spatula to flip it over and heat the other side for another 30 seconds. This dry heat step helps wake up the flavors in the tortilla. 4. Steam the tortilla. After the dry heat, you need to introduce steam. You can do this by wrapping a stack of heated tortillas in a clean kitchen towel or a tortilla warmer. The residual heat will create steam inside the covering, which will soften the tortillas and make them more flexible. 5. Let the tortillas rest. Leave the tortillas in the towel or warmer for around a minute. This rest period allows the steam to work its magic. By following these steps, you'll have perfectly heated corn tortillas that are ready for filling and folding without the worry of them breaking. That's it, folks. No more broken tortillas to ruin your meal. This easy yet effective method of using a combination of dry and steam heat ensures your corn tortillas are warm, pliable, and, most importantly, intact. Enjoy your Mexican cooking adventures and let the taco party begin.